Alright, it says right there, Sweet Home Alabama, and that is exactly where we are. We just crossed the Tennessee-Alabama border and there's a big rocket there.
There's a dead armadillo right up.
And there was a dead armadillo, yeah. You can stop at the state sign, but you have to pull a bit of an emergency stop and park on a hill. But you probably get away with it like we did.
You might not.
Pause. So what we got? What are we dealing with?
I don't know what IB.
Ib? I think it's Ip Man's cousin. Ib Man. Look at that. Woo! You see this thing, you used to be able to walk under there and someone would turn it on for fun and you could feel it. Yeah. Well, the first part's true. That was fun. Oh, it's okay. Yeah, look at that, Ib Man. United States. Hey, dog.
Aww.
Hey, there's a dog. Yeah, check it out. Oh, it lights up at night time. Lights up at night time.
The birdies are coming at me.
Yeah, I'm half Russian, so I'm thinking I might take some design secrets. Oh, I'm still recording. Check it out, yeah, Alabama.